Danke bafethu. Before ngikhuluma ngokuthi why abantu bazonda i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngithanda ukuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu ku-Petros Khoza ojoyine i-membership, othathe imali yakhe ayisebenzela kanzima ayidoneyitha kule page leli. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu, akwande la uthathe khona. Kufisela konke okuhle. Thank you. This is how we grow the page because into engifuna ukuyenza la epagini ukuthi ngilethe ama-footballers ngiwa-interviewe straight niwabone because I interact with them all the time, but ukuthi ngizodecide ukuthi ngizoqala nini maybe next year and then uku-interview abantu ngibalethe. But how am I gonna do that if I'm not even able to travel to those places ukuhlangana nabantu? Danki Petros Khoza, ngiyabonga mfethu. Asingeneni kule ndaba lena-ke manje bafethu ukuthi why kanti abantu abaningi bazonda i-Kaizer Chiefs kangaka ebholeni lase-South Africa? Because abantu aba-influential abanye abarana amaklabu, ama-agents angafuni ukuthi ama-player wabo aye ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abhlokhe ama-players cause manje kuphume elinye iplayer kusho elinye iplayer ukuthi bamblokha naye ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Manje kuney'ndaba ey'nkulu ey'trendayo. This is a bad thing ngempela. Ziningi ukuthi angifuni ukungena kuzo, but I assume esayidini lami leyo engibona khona they hate i-Kaizer Chiefs because of i-success i-Kaizer Chiefs enayo in terms of imali. Abantu bayafisa nabo ukuthi lesiya amaklabu wabo kuthengiswa amajezi isikhathi esiningi kube ne-fan base enkulu ba-generate imali serious. I was watching into kaJomo, uJomo Sones athi uyawisha ngabe bekayi-Kaizer Chiefs every week nje athole imali eningi ebhenki. Because of how much Kaizer Chiefs generates to South African game. And therefore bona personal bathola ama-millions and millions every week from just ukuthi nje ukuba i-Kaizer Chiefs. They don't even need to win inside the field of play ukuthi ba-generate le mali le because of bane-loyal fan base. And bebanalento le angazi ukuthi yaphelaphi bafethu. Ngike ngakhuluma ngayo kancane but angizange ngingene kuyo. Ama-paying members ku-Kaizer Chiefs kudala babebhadala 100 rand every month, abantu abayi-3 million, meaning ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kudala iyenza imali bafethu e-serious from ama-paying members to different avenues. Kudala bayenza imali. Amanye ama-team ayafuna ukwenza imali e-serious njenge-Kaizer Chiefs. Unfortunately they are not Kaizer Chiefs, so they cannot generate imali njenge-Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe inzondo ye-Kaizer Chiefs ibuya lapho from the fact ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yenza imali eningi compared to amanye ama-team. But if sizoblokha abantu, I liked what i-agent lakavele bayi-said i-day before izolo. In fact lapha Sunday Kaizer Chiefs uthe mekhuluma ne-SABC or noMulifa athi why abantu bablokha, uthi ublokha iy'ngane lese uVelebani njengoba bebathi bafuna ukublokha uVelebani noBatman ukuthi babalo baye ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ublokha umuntu othi ufuna izinto ezi-right for yena, uthi ingane yakho umfisela izinto ezi-right but umblokhela ku-move ezotshintsha impilo yakhe kanjani? And mawubheka yonke lento le, agents and other managers will go as far ukuthi bangathengiseli iplay i-Kaizer Chiefs. Iplayer ligcine liya ku-team lower than le mali le bebayifuna. Khona le striker lesi ku-Royal AM bafethu bedume kakhulu, uLitso something, I'll remember his name. Befuna i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uma befuna i-Kaizer Chiefs obosinki imnisi bathi 20 million lela player leli, right? And then Chiki ujoyina iSkhukhune United nge-3 million rands. Okay, make this make sense. Make this make sense bafethu ukuthi iplayer makuze enye i-team nithi 20 million and then yena umfethu wagcine wathi sekafuna ukuhamba laphana kuba close to home, and then bamthengisa nge-3 million and then bayamvumela ukuthi ahambe because of i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yagcina yathi hayi ngeke, ithi siyiyeke le ndaba lokufuna lo muntu lo if bazofuna imali engaka. Bona they can't try and push for i-player ukuthi le player ligcine lijoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs. There is no way baphusha for i-player for imali engaka overall. And baningi ama-player okwenzakalayo. i-Kaizer Chiefs iyawafuna lama-player lawa, but guess what, i-Kaizer Chiefs meyiza ithi ize, yes, uVictor Litswalo bafethu iplayer lakhona leli bewafuna bama-20 million laphana ku-Royal AM only for him ukuthi ajoyine iSkhukhune United nge-3 million. Manje sekakuthi i-TS Galaxy if angenzi iphutha. Lokhu yami i-career yakhe nje azange ibe stable after le move le ukuthi ufuna i-Chiefs but bona bafuna imali eningi. Why ama-team enza kanje? Ubani uMokwana kuSkhukhune United? Ngike ngakhuluma ngaye kancane bathi uFloyd ulo beka-Orlando Pirates but manje belaphana kuSkhukhune United uyoblokhe i-move yomfana. Asho naye ukuthi ufuna ukuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Manje uMayo bekumele around aye le phesheya abroad, ngithi abroad. e-Algeria ukuze abuye la ku-Kaizer Chiefs because it was difficult ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithole i-move ne-Cape Town, ithole i-deal ne-Cape Town City because when i-Kaizer Chiefs mayiza abantu bavele bathi 20 million, 15 million, 10 million only for a player ukuthi lihambe for ngemali encane. Come on bafowethu. Don't hate i-success ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Noma bangayihalela abantu ngeke bayithole because of imali eningi iza from ama-fans, iphuma from ama-fans because of ama-fans yiwa loyal azitshela ukuthi okay they're gonna be loyal to i-team, they're gonna follow i-team noma kuthiwa iyabheda noma kuthiwa ayidlali kahle but they're gonna stay ethimini. That's how they've been able ukuthi bakhulise ilokhunjana i-Kaizer Chiefs yabo ne-branch i-brand as i-Kaizer Chiefs bayikhulisa ibe strong. Abantu bathi it's funny because abantu abathola i-recognition ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakhulise i-brand manje usisi Jesse come down kakhulu, but abantu for mina I stand to be corrected if I'm wrong. Abantu abakhulisa i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi in fact ukuthi be-brand enkulu, yes ama-fans bawakhona but i-loyalty ukuthi bakhulisa i-brand to what it is today. Baningi abantu bebasebenza laphana behind the scenes bafethu benza ama-activations. Lo baba lo wakumhlobo bowenene ngizomkhumbula ukuthi ubani, wayephusha i-Kaizer Chiefs kudala bafethu benza ama-activations all over, bamake sure ukuthi bajoyinisa abantu ukuthi babhadale for ukuthi babe ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs. Guess what, imali eningi ama-hundreds of million wabuya kuma-fans. Ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs angakwazi ukurana i-Kaizer Chiefs ngokwayo, just i-Kaizer Chiefs bona kumele bavule banike ama-fans i-right, kube nama-ultra even ama-fan normal fans ukuthi uma bafuna i-player noma kuthiwa i-20 million but uma balifuna ngempela, ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans angakwazi ukukhipha leyo mali leyo because now ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs bawakwazi ukudonate boma-3 over 100 million a year ngala ma-100 lawo ngasikhathi basenza ama-activation. Angazi ukuthi indaba yakho into yakhona yaphela lapho or basasekhona ama-fanatics adonate imali because kuthiwa that time kwakuyi-3 million fans abadonate ama-100. Cabanga ukuthi imalini ke leyo mali leyo bafethu. So ama-fans they can carry Kaizer Chiefs with ease. Ama-fans they just need ukuthi ama-fans nabo abe involved ku-decision making, ama-fans abe khona nawo abe ne-voice. Same thing lento le yenzakala kuboma-Tunisia, yes e-North Africa kuboma Al Ahly, even some part of ama-European countries ukuthi ama-fans are-involved, ama-fans anama-shares. Ama-shares by the way hayi ukuthi kumele abe makhulu ngaleyo ndlela. Same thing o-Vodacom, bheka o-Vodacom ukuthi i-strategy sakhona kanjani, o-DStv, o-MultiChoice, abantu banama-shares ba-investa lese u-200, 300. Same thing ne-Kaizer Chiefs ingenza into ekanjalo because banabo abantu big numbers already ukuthi abantu bangakwazi ukuziranela i-Kaizer Chiefs without even ama-sponsorships. Just nje abantu ukuthi ba-investe ku-brand eyi-Kaizer Chiefs, ku-JSC babone ukuthi iwetha malini kanjani, ama-shares wakhona akhula kanjani or ayehla, izinto ezikanjalo. But ama-fans uma ngaba involved azokwazi ukuzikhulisela i-Kaizer Chiefs without bonke labantu laba because of abantu manje i-Kaizer but nayi into eshayayo, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-family business. Yeah, family business. I won't dive deep into family business e-Kaizer Chiefs because siyazi ukuthi oBobby bake bathini in public and you can't oppose this thing. Yibo abaziranela i-Kaizer Chiefs the way abayirana ngakhona. But nabo I think they're not aware ukuthi they've built i-monster and i-team engakwazi ukuwuphilela yona, ukuziphilisa from ama-fans because ama-fans ayayithanda le team le. Yabo? So imagine if like akuba nama-paying members let's say ayi-5 million noma kuthiwa abanye ba-contribute o-20 rand, abanye o-50 rand, abanye o-1,000 because of banemali ukuthi i-team ikwazi ukuziphilela. Bangakhohlwa wonke lama-sponsors lawo just nje baphiliswe i-team, baphiliswe ama-fans kuphela. If they want ama-fans ukuthi abe-involved, ne-Kaizer Chiefs neMtaung family understand ukuthi okay bona lese bana bawathengisa ama-shares wabo basale lese nga-20%, but-ke executive decisions kwazi ama-fans ukuvota on the ground. Lapho kuzobona i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba by far the best team in the country because izoba nama-rights, ama-fans azoba ne-say. Mabafuna u-Apolice ngabe bamlando u-Apolice, iPurwana City mayifuna 25 million bavele bathi nayi 25 million because of bane-billion or ama-billions ahleli from e-bank kanjalo nje. Thank you bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Angazi maybe lento le too complicated mangichaza kanje but it's doable. I-Al Ahly iyayenza, that is why i-Al Ahly ibhadala ama-players imali engaka. That is why i-Al Ahly ithenga ama-players nanoma nangabo 50 million because of why ine-backing yama-fans wabo. They have the biggest fans e-Egypt and then bayakwazi ukuyisebenzisa bayi-incorporate ne-team bayiphushe lento le ukuthi kube ne-backing yama-fans. Njengoba ngivala, thank you to lo ubhuti uPetros Khoza bafowethu odonate-ile. Kuwo wonke lama-video la ngizomshaya nge-shout out. I mean come on. Uthatha imali yakho oyisebenzele kanzima wasiza le page leli. Yeah, I mean if abantu abaningi bazojoyina kuma-membership, nami ngizonilethela i-world class content. Ngizo-interviewer even ama-fans, even amalokhunjani, ama-legends waku-Kaizer Chiefs amanye, because I see these guys all the time, but I can't exhaust my energy yokuya le ngigibele ngiye le, nah. But until sibe nemadlana engcono, I'll bring you content yangempela. Danko, appreciation bafowethu. Ngiyabonga kubo bonke abantu ba-subscribe-ayo, abalayikhayo.